Yes, I am the uncle Tejas is always bragging about. How handsome, how intelligent, how these are his words. But I agree with them. Please listen to me very carefully. I have traveled 3,000 miles all the way from Los Angeles to live on this beach. I first met Tejas' father, Arun Sinha, in 1981. We immediately hit it off. We both found a brother in each other. Arun became an integral part of our family. My parents, as well as my kids, all loved him. He was very caring towards our family. Any help we needed, he went all out, way beyond the call of duty to get it done. Arun was a brilliant man. He received many accolades in his area of work. He designed systems like the magnetic strip in the back of a driver's license. Arun was a free spirit. No one could tell him what to do. Except me.
Yeah.
Right, Sadhana?
Yeah, that's true.
He respected me
Yeah,
like an older
yeah,
brother
no, yeah.
and never argued with me.
Yeah, if I needed something, tell him.
He knew I had a best interest at heart. A few years later, in the year 1986, Arun went to India to find a girl to marry. He came back with a black and white picture of Sadhana.
Yeah,
He
so
showed
they
me the
didn't have to
picture
do pictures.
and told me all about her in detail. My assessment was she is young, beautiful, highly educated, and highly cultured. She seemed too good for it. I asked Arun to go right back to India and get married to her. And he did. When Sadhana arrived in Los Angeles, automatically she became a part of our family. In 1990, Tejas was born. We were all thrilled. We all became overjoyed. In 1994, Arun decided to move to Columbus for business purposes. We were not too happy about it, but luckily he kept coming back to LA for jobs. Sadhana and Tejas would accompany him sometimes. Arun was very proud of Tejas and could not stop bragging about him, all behind his back. He was too tough to say anything in front of him. Tejas, Arun had high hopes on you and you have outperformed his expectations. We are also proud of you. Unlike your dad, you did not seek my approval before. Kathleen. But after meeting her, I am convinced she is the right person for you. Big hand for her. We welcome you in our family. Like they say, marriages are made in heaven. People don't come into your life by accident. Who we meet and fall in love with is dictated by our destiny. Tejas and Kathleen, you are lucky. You knew each other well before you decided to get married. When Kumud and I got married, we did not know each other at all. Our parents got together and arranged our marriage. That was 45 plus years ago. In arranged marriages, you get married first and then fall in love. The success of a marriage depends on how committed you are, whether it's an arranged marriage or a love marriage. Love each other for who you are. Do not try to change the other person. That will not be the person you got married to. Find attraction in the permanent qualities of your spouse, like wisdom, kindness, caring, and love. Not what is temporary, like beauty, fame, power, and money. Someone said, a great marriage is not when the perfect couple comes together. It is when an imperfect couple learns to enjoy their differences. Tejas and Kathleen, you have both chosen a noble profession. It requires giving, serving people and saving lives. Khalil Gibran wrote a poem on giving. He said, real giving is not only giving your worldly possessions, but giving yourself. And that's what you're doing. He also said, when you give more than you can. When you take less than you need. Nowadays, the doctors don't have to work so hard. my doctor friends tell me that when the younger patients come to them, they have already done the research on Google about their problem and figured out what is the right treatment. Right, Tejas, you agree? You must be coming across these patients sometime. Tejas and Kathleen, tomorrow you will be getting married. Remember, the real act of marriage takes place in the heart, not with a priest in the temple or a ballroom or a garden. It's a choice you make on your wedding day, and that choice is reflected in the way you treat each other. Now that you're going to be married, your life will change. You will lose your freedom and spontaneity. And you will not be able to hang out with your friends. For the most part, your life will be ruined. Obviously, I'm only kidding. Marriage is not about giving up anything. It is about gaining something. Rabindranath Tagore said, love does not claim possession, but gives freedom. Like any other marriage, your marriage will hit some bumps along the way. When that happens, just remember the vows you took, or call Uncle Lalit for advice, and everything will be just fine. What I'm going to say now may not be very popular here, but I'm hoping all three of you will be moving to LA in the near future. After all, I would like to have my own personal doctor. In the meantime, please keep in mind, all we ask for is some grandchildren. Before I end, I would like to mention that Sadhana deserves a special recognition and gratitude for raising Tejas so beautifully under the most difficult circumstances. Today, he is a highly respected doctor, and more than that, he is a wonderful, kind, and generous human being. Sadhana, you get all the credit for it. Let's give her a huge applause. Finally, Kumud and I wish both of you a very successful life. If you work hard, you can achieve anything. Bhagavad Gita says, if you don't fight for what you want, don't cry for what you lost. Tejas and Kathleen, just remember, being someone's first love may be great, but to be their last is beyond perfect. Thank you, and please enjoy the rest of the year.
आप लोग साथ खड़े हो फोटो ले नीचे आ जाओ
Quick picture that we need. Food is ready to go, so we can get lined up for that. Table
आपको ढूंढ रही थी अन्नू का है। मैं मुझे लगा यहाँ चेयर खाली है इसलिए मैं पीछे देखी। It's fine.
You can start, go like that, start from here. This is sticky, you know that. I'm sure you're doing this. Yeah, top it with that.
Well, there's big plates.
Ultra red trap.
मैम यहाँ वीडियो करेगी
Explain. हाँ.
ठीक है
बहुत बढ़िया होगा.
बहुत अच्छा.
You know, सबसे अच्छा तो पार्ट था कि साधना के लिए तालियां बजी आज.
I don't exactly.
You know,